good, guys? Welcome back. I'm here with the BSAC once again. This is going to be our second part of the video. Now, we did a first part doing a little introductory on the parts we chose. I'm going to throw a YouTube card up there. You guys can check it out. Basically, of everything we went with, how much we spent, how the hustle was. So definitely check that video out and then, watch the second part of the video. So in this part, BSAC is going to be installing the CPU, RAM, and hopefully getting everything in to the computer and getting this bad boy working. So let's go. Take out the CPU. I guess I'm gonna walk her through the guide, of doing everything. Or let me take out the CPU for you so she could just install it, or else this video is gonna be a little longer.
What, am I not even allowed to touch it?
All right, so these are the pins.
Oh, thank you so much, Kosher Tech.
Don't touch
I
the
didn't know what a
pins.
pin was.
Now you guys are having a two-camera perspective. You're gonna have us facing, of course, and then you're gonna have the camera with the shot of the motherboard. Right now.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yes.
No, don't put it in like that.
No, I know that.
Right.
Wow.
Hold it.
I might be blonde, but I'm not stupid.
All right, guys. So you see this little gold indicator?
Yes, the arrow.
Yes, you're gonna put it in that
where the
little
other arrow is.
Exactly. So now lift that.
So I'm gonna lift this.
Right.
Okay.
So now that's lift. Now hold it by this
the
side.
edges.
Yeah, on the top though.
Okay.
There you go.
All right.
Now you're holding it a little.
I'm holding it a little too close. Okay.
But you got it. All right. Don't
right.
drop it. Now put it in gently. You don't have to hold that. Now put it in gently.
All right. Gently.
Yep.
Now you got me all nervous.
Hold on, it's not in yet.
It's not in.
Yep, move it in a little bit. A little down. Come on.
He can't help himself.
There you go.
He's got to show the little girl what to do.
Go. Now hold on, before you want to. Oh, you see everything is in.
You didn't let me do it myself.
It's gonna be a little too longer. So now everything is in. Now put the retention down.
Okay.
All right.
Retention is down.
Snapped in.
Yes.
All right, it's snapped in. All right. So the first part is done. The CPU is installed. Thank God. The pins are not broken. Good.
He didn't trust me with the pins.
Definitely not. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the RAM. All right. Just check this out.
Am I not allowed to touch that either?
You are. You see?
Okay.
You're gonna install it. So.
Do I go to the first one?
Yes.
Okay.
Go to the first one. But before that, you want to open that.
I want to open that. Yes.
Now install.
Okay.
Put some pressure.
I think it's in. It's in. It's good.
It's not in.
It's in.
It's not in.
How do you know?
Because this is not lifted. You want to see it when it's in? Now it's.
Oh, that was scary.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh,
I didn't want to push that hard.
So thankfully the first part of the RAM is installed. Now the second part we are up to get the 8 gigs going. So you're going to install
goes in the very next one?
No, in the black one.
In the black one?
Yep.
Oh, so we do like every other.
Exactly.
Do I have to take them out to put the new ones in?
No.
Is it hard to get the one in between the others?
Now we're going to put it in now.
Okay.
Pressure.
Pressure.
And
I did it. It snapped. I heard it.
It snapped. So this part's complete. Again, thankfully nothing is broken. So next we will install. What are we going to install next? Do you know what we're going to install next?
I don't know what comes next. Please tell me, Kosher Tech.
I will. All right, so we have the case down. We're about to put in the motherboard, screw it in. So take the motherboard, BSAC.
Okay.
Now align the motherboard into the I/O shield.
Thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that it? No.
Is it aligned? Remember the screws have to be in as well.
Okay, no. That's not aligned. Hold on. I got it.
Just move your hand.
Okay.
You're gonna see this, bottoms, one here, and one on top. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna move this motherboard a little closer.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the screwdriver. I'm gonna give you some screws. And start screwing. Drill, baby, drill. Okay, the motherboard is installed. Congratulations, a high five there. We're almost there. Nothing has yet been broken, which is always a plus. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the power supply.
So next we are going to install the power supply.
That we are. All right, the power supply is out of the box. We're gonna install the wiring in the power supply. So this is to power your motherboard. You see MB?
Motherboard.
Motherboard.
Motherboard. Got it.
So
Okay.
plug one side into here, and then another side. See, it's like the wrong way. You'll plug it in the motherboard, it's fine. This is in, now we're gonna plug in, hold it, the CPU. You can plug in the CPU, no, this is the VGA. This is for your graphics card.
And that's gonna go
Where it says...
Well, there's VGA 1.
Yeah, where's the more? Plug it in.
I'm not allowed to do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna plug in...
CPU? Doesn't matter.
The best trick is if it fits in computers, remember this guys, if it fits, it goes in. If it doesn't fit, it does not go in.
I'm not sure I believe you.
Oh, believe me. Believe me. So now it's time to unveil the graphics card. So open that graphics card up. Let's see the nice first impressions.
Okay. All right. Looks nice. There we go.
Has a little nice Asus branding.
Yeah.
Move that. Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
All right. Ooh, the wildebeest.
Yeah. Here it is.
The little slow motion shots there.
Slow motion. Okay.
Slow motion with it. So now make sure to take off all the plastic on the back here. Give the viewers at home that nice peel.
Peel?
Oh. Broke the seal of the peel.
Woo!
Alright, good. The graphics card is out. Everything is good. Now let's install it into the case. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to unscrew these slots. Okay, now it's the installation of the graphics card. So, do you know how to install it?
No, you're going to tell me.
Just flip it the other way.
Yeah.
One hand. Yep. Now put it in.
I need 2 hands.
Into the PCIe slot.
Okay.
Is it in?
Oh, no.
No, it's not. You want to put it in right here. Okay. Come on. You got this.
There?
Does it go in?
No.
Alright, 1 second. So if it doesn't go in, that means we gotta unscrew one more slot. So hold it quickly.
Okay.
So snap it in, right? No, you gotta get it into the PCIe. Hold on. Yeah. You got it. Put some oomph. There you go.
There.
You heard the click?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
Graphics card is in.
Now we are going to attach the fans to the radiator. And I was threatened with death if I miss with the screws and dent it, so I'm going to be very careful. I didn't think it looked like that hard of a thing to do, but...
Don't dent the rad.
Got it. Don't dent it. Crisscross. So we go down here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there we go. Now next fan.
Yep. So now what you're doing is
making sure the wire's on this side so that it'll look nicer. And getting another screw and washer. And I'm gonna start with the same guy.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right, they're done.
So what now?
Now we put it in.
Oh yeah, you definitely put it in. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the AIO into the CPU, correct?
Correct.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna install the CPU standoffs.
Let's do it.
All right. Those are easy to get in.
Yeah, just screw the 3 of them in.
Do I have to worry about breaking anything here?
Yeah. All right, you got one more.
One more.
Okay, that's good. Now let's install the cooler.
Okay, the cooler. Where's it at? So now we are going to put the thermal paste on the processor. Good.
1 second, let the cameraman get a shot.
Okay. We're ready?
Let's go.
Okay. Wow, this stuff is
Yeah, keep on going.
really
That's good.
squeezed.
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's perfect. That's
Okay.
it. Just lift it up, lift it up, lift it up.
That's good?
Perfect. Oh, look at this. Good job, rookie.
Woo!
Good job, rookie. Good job.
Yay! All right, so we have the thermal paste on there, and now I'm gonna put this big guy over here.
Just line them up to the holes.
Does it go into which hole?
Give me it.
That one?
That is good.
Okay.
Now we're just gonna screw them in. Just hold it.
Hold it.
Kosher Tech is doing it. It's always right. So now just screw that one in.
Okay.
You get it?
Yep.
Why'd you think they're not screwed in properly? Alright, the holes were in properly.
I just wanted to make sure. It was a little confusing for me how this was supposed to go in. Last one. Now
Installing the red. Yep, now we're going to install the red.
Okay. Alright, so we put the radiator in and the exhaust fan.
Nice and RGB, I see.
Yeah. So that should be looking good. And next we're just gonna do some wire management. Clean this up a little bit.
Let's do it.
Okay. Alright. So we finished our wire management. This part probably took the longest, but as you can see it came out, I think, really well. Looks nice and clean from my perspective. I think it'll look really great once we have it all booted up and going. So next we'll get started with that and put windows on it and check it all out.
Looks so fresh and so clean, you meant to say, right?
So fresh and so clean.
Yep. So next we're gonna get some windows on there, get everything going. Look at this nice, tidy wire management, guys. Very important to have nice, tidy wire management. Next we're gonna install some windows, get everything going. We're gonna benchmark it. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. See you soon.